Hi everyone, my name is David and I am from Layer 2 Computers. And this video is going to cover what are managed IT services and the benefit to you, the business owner or business manager. Um, so some key benefits to managed IT services is that we are kind of a full stack IT company. And so we are able to take care of, anything within your organization. So we're not going to be limited to what one or two employees inside your company know or have the ability to do. We have an extensive network of partners we work with, and then we also have a lot of knowledge inside our company that, if you guys have a networking issue, we have networking specialists. If you have email deliverability issues, we have people who can take care of your email deliverability, and then general help desk and things like that. So we're really able to take care of any issues that you have, from help desk, password resets, all the way up to, you need a whole network designed or things like that, or you have cybersecurity you need in place. We're not just one employee that you have on payroll that can take care of, only a couple things or types of problems. Another reason you'd want a managed IT company is that we can be proactive. So we use different tools to keep tabs on different things in your network and different hardware and software, and we can get alerts made and sent to us automatically to where when there's an issue, a lot of times we can take care of those issues before a user is even notified or realizes there's an issue, which is also a really cool feature because we can just kind of look at everything very holistically, from one pane of glass and really see what's going on in your organization from a technology standpoint. And then obviously, cybersecurity is huge right now. There's a lot of hacking going on, a lot of bad things going on the internet, accounts being compromised, things like that. And so we're able to, use our suite of tools and also our knowledge and using a security operations center and really deal with any cybersecurity issues that come up and hopefully catch them before they happen. And if an account does get compromised or something like that, we can mitigate it as quickly as possible. And a lot of times within seconds, which is really, really cool. And then obviously long-term strategy planning. So that might mean that you're tripling your workforce in the field or you're adding a new building to your organization, anything like that. So we can help generally from help desk, like I need my passwords reset or my printer's not working or my computer's running slow, all the way up to, full network design, cybersecurity planning, things like that. So that's really the benefits of having a managed IT company, IT services company in your wheelhouse. And then there's different types of managed IT services that companies can provide and that we can provide to you. One of them might be fully managed IT. So that's where we are literally your IT department. So we come in and we are kind of your main IT employees. So we'll do anything that you need IT related, voice over IP, networking, help desk, backups, cybersecurity, kind of all that fun stuff. And basically, when there's a problem, you guys call us, we take care of it. Submit a ticket, just reach out and we'll definitely jump on it and take care of you. And then the other relationship that we could have, which we have with a couple companies, is a co-managed relationship. So what that means is that they might have one or two people internally that generally take care of their IT needs. And the cool thing is, then they also have us to rely on when something is out of their wheelhouse. Or on a co-managed relationship, we might provide software tools to them. So that might be security tools that aren't available to a company directly, or it might be licensing or different software, or maybe we just handle, only their servers, or maybe we only handle their workstations so their IT people can focus on other things in their environment to really help the business move forward. So some cost-effective, some really cool things that makes having a managed IT company cost-effective is that typically you are on you have a level billing cycle. So you commit to whether monthly or annually or 3 years or whatever that relationship looks like. The really cool thing is that you commit to a price and then that's your price. So it allows you as a business to budget in IT and just kind of have it taken care of. You don't have to worry about it. There might be big projects that come up, or, hey, we decided we're building a new office and we're adding 10 employees, so that might be a big project that we take care of, but generally speaking, it allows you to kind of level out your budgeting for your IT expenditures, which is really good. And then some tips and tricks to kind of choose a managed IT provider. You want to look at the response time. So ask them current or different scenarios that come up in your business. So like, how long does it take to add a new employee? What about if we need to terminate an employee pretty quickly? Or hey, someone can't print, but they can still print elsewhere in the building. How are those tickets handled? Or our internet's down. Is it the network or is it your internet provider? How do you determine that? How quickly do you, reach out to the internet provider? Different things like that. Go through different scenarios. Talk about your servers. Talk about your laptops. Do you keep spares? Does your IT company have spares that they can just rush out to you? Different things like that, and really going over actual things that happen in your organization. That way you can gauge how the response is and things like that. And then obviously, you want to look at skill set and kind of what they can do for you, kind of the full gamut of, help desk all the way up to like complete network architecture and doing everything from scratch, building a network or implementing a cybersecurity plan. Talk about, are they able to help you with writing policies? Because that's a big one. Companies need cybersecurity policies and bring your own device policies and Wi-Fi policies, even, keeping your network separate. Ask them different things like that. And, obviously, any IT company should be able to really help with a lot of those things and really gauge and be able to communicate those effectively. Because honestly, a lot of IT companies do the same thing. So really at that point, you're trying to find the right people that work with your people and make sure that relationship actually makes sense. Again, I'm David from Layer 2 Computers. We're an IT company, and my goal is to make sure business owners and managers can sleep at night knowing that their IT stuff and their IT infrastructure is taken care of. They don't have to worry about anything. They don't wake up with panicked phone calls. We've been ransomware in the middle of the night, things like that. My goal, again, I just want people to be able to sleep at night knowing that everything's taken care of and that they have a company that they can rely on and easily call and kind of take care of. So if you guys have any needs or anything, like, you can call us, text us, email us, submit a contact form on our website. Extremely accessible. We would love to chat with you. So thanks so much.